In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and download the right Kahoot app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to install the right Kahoot app, you need to go ahead and find Play Store app on your Android smartphone and then tap on it. From this, go ahead and tap on search apps here, or if you can see this bar, go ahead and tap on search icon down below. From here, search the app by its name. So I'll go ahead and just search Kahoot like that, and then tap on search icon here, and this will take you to the app, and here it is. Now, to know that this is the right app, make sure it is from Kahoot. This is the company, and here is the tagline: Kahoot, play and create quizzes. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.8 with over 767,000 reviews, and the file size is around 74 MBs. Currently, this app has over 50 million downloads. So if you see these details, you will know that this is the right app to install. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Kahoot app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go back to your apps, you should be able to find your app here. Go ahead and open it, and this is the interface to log in. So that's how you can download and install the right Kahoot app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.